Hey, Alex,
What?
look at this.
What is that? What is right?
Look at it. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What does it look like?
A person?
Yeah?
Yes.
What size of a person?
A robot person?
Close.
Hey, they're like different pictures, right, Daddy?
They.
Yes.
Yeah, different pictures. Why is the love?
That's gonna be your little brother or sister. You're gonna be a big brother.
No.
Yeah.
No. What is? Why? How did he get a picture of them?
They have a special thing that they can put on mommy's bellies, and it takes pictures of babies.
So, is mommy having a baby?
Yeah.
Does it have a baby in the tummy?
Yeah. Don't bend them up.
Oh.
You know how big it is right now?
How big?
The size of a lime.
A line?
A green lime.
Green line? Like big?
Yeah, like maybe the size of your fist.
That how big it is?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Are you excited?
Yes. Is it going to be a girl or a boy?
We don't know yet.
Oh, when is it going to come out?
Next
right
year?
around my birthday.
Around your birthday?
Mm-hmm.
After your birthday?
Yep.
After your birthday, too.
After mine?
Yep.
Oh, that's funny. When I turn 6 and then a baby will not be 1 yet, right?
Right.
I hope it's a boy.
But
You hope
what if it's a girl?
That's okay.
I would like a girl because there's lots of boys in this house. But
Yeah.
I'd be okay with a
There's
boy.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boys.
How many
Yep.
girls?
1.
You forgot one boy behind us.
Oh,
Behind me.
in the water.
Which one?
Nemo.
Nemo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boys and one boy and 1 girl. I mean. So how do you get pictures from the baby?
It's like an x-ray.
Yep.
Oh, can I still teach myself until next school day?
We'll have to talk to your teacher and see if that would be okay, all right?
Okay.
You wanna?
Do you want to go show Nana?
Yeah.
Where's my?
She doesn't know yet.
She's at her house, I think. You wanna go show her?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.